How to find your Epic Games email and password. So first you have to go to store.epicgames.com. Then once you are on this page, you have to go and click on your profile at the top right. Now from here you have to click on the account option. Now you will be redirected to your personal details where you can now see which email address you used. Well, this is if you are already logged in, but if you aren't, what else you can do is go to the sign in page, then type in your email address that you previously used to sign into your Epic Games account. Or if you don't remember, what you have to do is check your mailbox. After you find the email address corresponding to your Epic Games account, you can go ahead and click on Forgot Your Password if you do not remember. After you've done that, email should be sent to your mailbox where you can now reset your password. So that is how you find your Epic Games email and password. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.